The market theme optimism is seen rising. Our call of the day expect Nifty bulls to regroup as easing geopolitical tensions and cooling crude oil, $92 a barrel, prices could revive risk appetite at Dalal Street. 1. Israel and Lebanon have agreed in principle to a ceasefire, provided Hezbollah also halts hostilities. 2. Also helping sentiments were hopes of tax relief on foreign investments in government bonds offered some support to sentiment. The big catalyst investors now will eye. 1. The RBI policy decision to be wired 10 a.m. 2. Q1 GDP data. Are investors closely watching the central bank's stance on inflation, crude oil, liquidity, and the rupee? While rates are expected to remain unchanged, the RBI policy commentary will be crucial. Globally, focus will U.S. Non-farm payrolls and jobless claims data to be wired on 5th June at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Bottom line, Nifty may aim to end the week with a bang, but confirmation of massive bullish strength only above the 23,757 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 4447 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 4360 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled near 15.88 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, was trading firm near 95.87 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 0.96 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.92. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.80. Midcap Nifty is at 0.99. Nifty outlook brace for a volatile trading session, with the RBI's policy commentary likely to be the key market-moving trigger. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,417. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,151 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,757 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,200 and 23,650. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 74,360. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 73,492 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 75,600 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,700 to 75,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,308. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty plus 0.5%, bulls regroup at lower levels and managed to close marginally higher after recovering from morning panic lows. The biggest headlines. 1. FII selling in June has crossed the 22,300 crore rupees mark. Total FII outflows in FY27 have surged to a massive 1.48 lakh rupees crore, keeping sentiment fragile. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Hindalco Industries, in focus after the company set a revenue target of 1,000 crore rupees over the next 3 years for its Eternia aluminium windows business, which has delivered a strong 65% CAGR growth over the past 3 years. 2. CG Power likely to attract attention after commissioning its EHV switchgear manufacturing facility in Nashik, a move that will expand its EHV circuit breaker production capacity by 80%. 3. The top gainers in yesterday's trade were Hitachi Energy India, plus 4.28%, Voltas, plus 3.95%, GMR Airports, plus 3.61%, Adani Total Gas, plus 3.50%, and Page Industries, plus 3.45%, reflecting strong buying interest across select industrial, consumer, and energy counters.